Durston's range of jeweller's lamps are the perfect partner for your projects. The Magnifier Lamp offers professional level magnification with a long-lasting LED light source. 60 of the latest design SMD LED lights give 1200 lumen and full bright white light at 6000 K from just 14 watts, while 4-stage dimming caters for all workshop lighting requirements. Where the Magnifier Lamp is really clever is with its easy-change lens, offering a 5-diopter magnification at 225% with a 20 centimetre focal length, so a good operating distance from the workpiece. Plus an 8-diopter magnification at 300%, giving great ability for close-up inspection or fine detail work. The fully flexible arm means you can position the lamp exactly where you need it. As an optional extra, there's a weighted desk mount base available, adding yet more flexibility of use. And the dual voltage unit is available with a UK, EU or USA plug. The Magnifier Lamp, part of Durston's award-winning range of products available since 1961.